good day, Lamidi here. Welcome to this tutorial video. I am going to be reviewing the Affiliaxe CPA network. So sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. So I'm going to come to Affiliaxe, and as you can see, it's a leading global affiliate network. They have a wide range of offers that you can run, it uses the As Offers interface, which is very clean, and they have a lot of advanced monetization tools that you can use as well. So let me just sign in and show you the back office. So this is the back office. They have a lot of top offers. I'm mainly looking at the e-commerce niche for this affiliate network, but you can search offers by country, by category, or by promotions allowed. Let's go to e-commerce and see. Let's see e-commerce. These are the e-commerce offers that you can run. You would need to get approval from your affiliate manager to run any of their offers. So I strongly suggest you look at the terms and conditions for each offer, the promotionals allowed, because that varies, and also check out the locations where you can run the offers. Apart from that, make sure you connect with your affiliate manager, and that's about it. If there's an offer you might like that's not on their network, you can ask for them to get the offer for you. And also they have a good affiliate referral program, so I believe you can get 4% on any affiliates that you bring into their network, on the traffic on the commissions they get, so that's pretty good. Do remember, if you're looking to get into Affiliaxe, they will require some sort of experience. They do not like newbies, so make sure you're prepared if you're going to come to this network. And that's it really. You can check them out. I'll leave a referral link in the description and the comment below. It's another network that I'll be running some traffic to, so I will be shooting some more videos showing you how I'm going to be doing that. So sit back, relax. Remember to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time, and hit that notification button so that I can notify you when I do shoot some more videos. That's it for today. If you've got any comments, any questions, please do leave me a comment. I do reply all my comments. So with that said, hope you've enjoyed this short video. Thank you, and enjoy your day.